Three Nines has spent the last 20 plus years perfecting the art of providing technology services to our customers in Oklahoma. Our services offer a fully staffed, full-time IT department for our customers at a fraction of the cost of having your own employees. You don't have to worry about vacation days, time off, sick days, payroll costs, insurance, not to mention experience and knowledge. We've heavily invested in our technology that we deploy to the benefit for our clients. The technology we use to keep our clients' infrastructure safe is the best you can buy. We work hard every day to make sure your IT infrastructure is up and running 39% of the time. Businesses today rely on their internet connection, email, and line of business applications, all while making sure they stay safe from the bad guys out there, and there are bad guys out there. That's where we come in. When your business is on the line, make the right call. Call Three Nines today.